Hello everyone and welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen. Today I will be preparing restaurant style jeera rice or cumin rice. Jeera rice is a North Indian dish that is a part of the menu of many Indian restaurants. It can be easily prepared at home with very few ingredients, and in order to save time it can also be prepared in a pressure cooker. So to make your soon to be favorite rice dish, let's get started. Here are the ingredients: 2 cups of basmati rice, 1 star anise, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera seeds, 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamom pods, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves finely chopped, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Wash the rice 3 to 4 times and soak it for 30 minutes. Take a large pot, add the ghee or clarified butter and heat it. Now add the bay leaf, star anise, cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom pods, sugar, cumin seeds, and let them splutter for a few seconds. Now add the basmati rice and stir fry it for a minute. Add salt to taste and fry for another minute. Then add 3½ cups of water or as per instruction on the rice packet and mix well. Cover and cook on medium flame till 90% of water is absorbed. Then add the coriander leaves and lightly stir it. Cover the pot and simmer for another 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes before serving it. Enjoy the jeera rice with dal or any curry of your choice. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and support me by subscribing to my channel and share the video.